Uy, Nathan.
Philippines.
You're going to where?
Philippines.
First time punta ng Philippines?
Philippines.
Fourth time.
Fourth time.
Yeah.
Pero maliit ka pa, no?
Yeah.
2 times.
Si Belle, 2 times. Ano si Kuya Badong? Oh, yeah.
Smells like alak.
Ano ba yan? Ano tayo picture kanina eh? Pagdalya. Pagdalya nasan ba? Alam na. Alam na yung pag ganyan ba ito ba? Alam na yan ba doon pag ganyan? Umang Inasal Gaming. Halo-halo. You try Mang Inasal?
Huh?
This is Mang Inasal. How was it? It's good. Kuya ba itong food
This is Miss Halo Halo.
Pang ano ni Kuya ba itong yung pang 5 rice?